Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. Here's a couple of things that will that have concerned me a little bit. And when I start looking at this and I look at kind of Bank of America, and I'm starting to watch some of these things like on the weekly charts, what you'll notice is here's a couple of things right here. So I've got basically some resistance over here. Here is our supporting level, but what you'll notice is that this level right there is also clearing or kind of breaking down in a way. So when you look at this, we're starting to break down, and the bearish volume is also starting to build, which is not good. This tells me it's possible that we might be getting into an A to B, B to C, and a possible C to D pattern, which means this could be a little bit of a problem. So I'd say, I'm not fully bearish on this thing, but I would say I'm a little more cautious on what's going on and what's happening. Ultimately, there is huge overhead supply. There is a bit of resistance overhead here. There is weakness. That's a problem, and break of an upward trending pattern is also not good. So be a little more careful. I would look for maybe support levels around the 19. This could be a nice little possible good value buying opportunity. Let's just kind of reduce there we go. Possible good value opportunity. If it gets to around 18, 19, that could be an interesting play. See if it bounces around that level. Until that time, be a little more careful here with the market being a little bit stretched into those upper levels. CSX. This one has me a little bit of a concern, and you'll see why in just a second. Take a look. We're right there. This is kind of resistance right there, and note the resistance right there. So we are basically coming up into the top a third time and have been rejecting it each and every single time. That has been a problem, and it shows that the stock does not have full strength. So that's a bit of an issue as we get into these levels. So every time it gets into this, we kind of reject it. So you'll notice, boom, a few times it's happened. We keep rejecting it. And not to mention, as you kind of look at the acceleration, I mean, this stock has just went up very quick and fast. Also, not the greatest thing in the market. For a market like this at all-time highs, it's to be expected that, hey, you'll get a pullback. It's kind of like right here, right? You get a rising thing, and then boom, a big major drop. So anytime you get those big movements, boom, what happens after? Just take a look. You know, it's just cycles and patterns repeat themselves. And that's what's happening here. So I'd say I'm a little more neutral. I wouldn't be fully bearish on it because, you know, this is maybe more of a safety play as well. I mean, it's a rail company. So a little pullback is possible, and I would definitely lighten up my position. So let's say I had 100 shares, I'd probably only go to 20. Or if I had 10 contracts, I might go to 2. But here, what we are doing is you're just watching for a possible breakdown here, and then maybe I would look for maybe support levels around, you know, kind of around this range, which hits kind of these spots. So probably look for support, watch for support around that, what is that, about 60 to 65 price level. So that's kind of what I would watch is kind of these levels. So possible kind of support level around there. Here is DKNG. Was bullish on this one for a while. A lot of people getting into sports. So when you look at this, I think we're kind of, let's do 3-day or 2-day. When you start looking at this, just the way that it's been moving and the bullish volume that's been increasing, it's been very good. And I think a little pullback wouldn't hurt this, and then we'll see what happens. But really, you've got this sideways consolidation pattern. In a way, you have an A to B to C to, who knows, D pattern, kind of something like that. And we will see if this will continue, but the bullish volume here has been pretty good. Been bullish on this one, so I think a pullback is still good. Pullback is good for this stock, but it's been quite strong and healthy. Watch out if it gets stretched, but even on down days, this one has been holding up well. So always look at how the stocks are performing during down days. And if you can see that a stock is performing very well during a down day, you know, especially a big sell-off day, and if it's green or even just not selling off as bad, then that usually means the stock is strong. So this one's been doing pretty good. And I think it'll continue to hold up fairly well relative to the market, for now, at least. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.